Are they inside the building?
I think so.
Where's Echo?
Echo!
Yeah.
I've been here! Woo! Where's my ticket? Yay! Oh, this guy's gonna be so happy to see me.
Yeah, I got out of the building, man. They came up and fucked up. And then they almost had a penis mating contest with all my dudes.
Someone fought me on my chest plate being black.
Hey guys, it's kind of busy up here.
Yeah.
Is my saw still up there?
We're coming.
Don't have to keep fucking with them.
Can you hang on. Okay, let's just do this upstairs with my saw.
We're gonna go upstairs?
Yeah.
Yep,
Copy
go
that.
upstairs into this floor.
You got the door covered.
You gonna give it up? You gonna give it up? Go through the other door. Go through the other door.
Sorry guys.
I don't want to
We're gonna pin.
If we're gonna come through, we gotta go through this side. Hey, keep that door closed. I gotta get a squad upstairs. I got air for my saw.
We have guys upstairs right now. Yeah, we're trying to get up there too.
Okay, Michael, follow me. My saw's upstairs.
Oh, okay.
Oh, watch out. Whoa.
Keep that door closed, please. Please, thank you so much.
Whoa. Thank you.
I got blues coming up. You got 2 blues coming up. Come on up. Oh, where's my pistol? Oh, it's in my hand. Hey, Gazpacho, welcome to the party. Second story.
Well, I'm singing for that.
Careful because we got a couple of blues that direction too. That's blue? I don't know. We're getting all mixed up now. I know there's a couple blues.
Echo.
We took that building. The guy in the murder hole in the far right. Yeah, that's an enemy. Well, I can't get that. Can you tank swap me? Yank it out and then unscrew it. And then just hand me the regulator.
Watch out.
Unscrew.
Real quick. I got it.
I think I got him.
Okay. You got him? Here we go.
I think I did.
You're good.
Good. All right.
Greg.
So what's the plan? Do you guys want to do suppressing fire while me and Donut and we get a couple other guys to go push up?
There's a lot of crossfire on this thing.
Okay.
It's hard to bridge.
It is?
There's murder holes all over the place.
Yeah, some guy has a sledgehammer where they're just making murder holes.
Are you serious?
Yeah.
Yeah. That sledge. Alright, can you drop that back in? My saw's back up, boys.
Good.
Hey, that might be blue! That might be blue!
What?
Well, if I fix on the ticket.
That murder hole, guy.
That's blue team! The ceasefire!
Oh, it's building secured.
Oh, that other squad bridged from the left! I forgot about this, guys! There's security.
Oh, sweet.
I hear your radio rotary.
Alright, building secure. Move for me. Move on.
Good job, Jet. Did you hear him?
What's up?
Jet said building secure.
What's going on back here? Huh? Hey, what's going on back here? Nothing.
That's
Oh, yeah, boys. Oh, fuck yeah.
Come on, boys.
Hey, baby.
Let's go. Push up. Hey.
Let's go.
Push up.
File through.
Faster.
Blue, is it clear down there?
Yeah, stay up there, look.
Yo. Hey, Echo. Jet wants us to stay up here to keep a line of sight out here. Jet, we got an LMG up here.
Alright, stay there. We're gonna need the covering fire to get across.
Oh yeah. 10-4. We'll bring the rest downstairs to cross. Hey, let's go down. Jet's gonna be pushing down.
You're the Mandalorian?
Alright guys, let's go. Jet's gonna be pushing across. We got Echo who's gonna be doing some pressing fire. Let's go.
You are an amazing human being.
Hey guys, let's go. Echo, covering fire.
Cover fire!
don't see anything yet.
Guys, keep pushing up. Keep pushing up. Any visual?
Don't see anything yet.
On your 6 now.
Copy.
Stay in these sections. Stay in this section.
Move out, move out, move out.
He wants us to hunker down here. Come on, spread out. Get a little defensive perimeter.
Swing right, left. Take it to our left. Hey, you gonna move forward?
Donut. Technical, line him up.
We're pushing forward.
We're at?
They got hit from over there.
Echo, what's your copy, Echo?
Max. Ready, move? Yeah, let's go. You guys going? Move again.
You want to cover me? I'm going to go to that car park area. Are you guys wounded?
I'm good. He's dead.
Is
that that guy? Good guys. Yeah, good hit.
Blue? Hey, is the building secure?
No,
I got a frag.
That's a no.
what building? Just one in front of us?
Yeah.
There was one in the flush window here, right next to us. Hey, I think he's coming from that side. I'm gonna push forward this next one. Yeah, let's push into that building.
You want to cover me?
Hey, is there an enemy right here?
Anyone Roger?
Open that door, you'll get shot at. Roger. I see him.
Donut installing.
What is your pause?
The most northeast objective, past the open carport area.
Still defending Washington Street.
Hey Donut, which direction?
Across the street.
Just directly ahead?
Yeah.
A kitchen door?
Like, yeah, around the corner, yeah, you can kick it over.
It's a small, someone's behind it.
They're angry.
They're having us pinned down this hallway. Keep clear when you come over here. Maybe try to get a couple guys in these rooms. What?
Yeah, was right there at that door.
In here?
Echo and Brandon are going back to staging, and we're going to grab that extra tank that Sam
Oh,
has.
careful, taking fire. Don't come over here.
Right, where do you want us when we come back?
Donut and I are pushing the northwest objective. Repeat, northwest objective. Oh, I got one. Hell yeah. We got contact in the building adjacent to here.
Brandon, I need you here. I'm not scanning. second objective has to make 2-story buildings on the east side. These are first stories.
All right, let's file into this building. We have friendlies in here.
We have friendlies right here, I think. I think we have the right side, not the left.
Oh, you dropped. Never mind. We'll pick it up. We'll pick it up.
Be careful of those ones up there. Oh, okay. I got you covered if you want to move. I'll do it.
Do you guys want me to move, or is someone going? Where is it? That Jason building?
It's kitty corner.
Reloading.
I'm just gonna pound a clip bar, refill my water, refill my ammo, grab the tank and go.
Alright, we want to move up.
Yeah. If you guys want to cover me, I can run. Attempt to run
Yeah.
and get that thing.
There's a lot of wind right now, so I doubt they're going to hit it.
Cover it.
Duck your head.
Are they just past here?
Yeah, they're shooting across through.
Who's that?
This is all unfriendly. Stay low, Brandon, stay low. They're shooting from across and they might be inside too.
Blue? Hey, we got blue directly ahead.
Okay.
I saw him jumping out of the window. Blue! They're directly ahead.
Over here.
Just like north of us right here.
Alright, so it's probably safe to move up there then.
Oh.
Oh, hello.
I'm gonna loop back around. I don't like being open here. Is that friendly? Is that red, red, red? See him?
Really? Pull out my drum bag real quick.
Where did that umbrella squad go?
I don't know. Alright. Try to test it.
You're good. We need them with our fancy guns.
They're all going to that room, yo. I can hear them all through the hit over there.
Oh.
Whoa!
You're dead?
Yeah, I got through it.
So we're trying to get the mans.
Alright, I'm getting out the map.
Wish the rest of our squad was with us.
Right? Okay. Directly north is the objective. So we're pretty much on the front line on this end, on the east side.
Fuck.
So this road is Washington.
JB and everyone died, or?
No, I think they're.
Do you guys see any visual of enemies across?
Yeah, cross for sure. There's two that went behind
There's two?
the cylinder blocks over there. Cinder blocks?
Oh, okay, copy that.
Yeah, right behind that cinder block. I'm not sure if there are any left or right though.
What are we at?
We're at 3063, they're at 2247.
On the map?
Right here.
Are we near the objective?
Yeah. Once we push through these buildings,
Cut through where? Cut through like.
if we maybe loop back around here.
Hey, Boog Squad, where y'all at? Anything you came in broken.
This is Pothead. I am at respawn. I repeat, I am at respawn.
Roger, we're about to take the southeast objective, or we're gonna push
No.
towards it.
Northeast.
Sorry, northeast.
What street?
Washington Street.
Washington Street on, what's the other one?
Virginia and North Carolina.
On Virginia and North Carolina, Washington Street, in that intersection. How copy?
Solid copy. I'm gonna try and move to support.
You wanna push up? Well, damn.
If he's not gonna call it, then by all means, have. Yep.
That's a guy.
Oh shit.
Green, this is blue. We're allowed.
Window, right here.
They said we could wear these. I asked Leia.
You feel that? I got you on the backpack.
I asked him to record Leia and she said it was good.
Grenade!
I literally asked the staff and they said it was good. Yeah.
Dead! Hit it!
Oh goddamn!
So, as you can kind of tell, in this last battle, it looked like there was a couple of just verbal altercations between both teams. Kind of unfortunate. Not sure what led up to it, but regardless, it was unfortunate to see. Also, looking back at the footage, it looked like the grenade did roll into our blast radius, line of sight, whatever it's called. So we technically should have been out, but I honestly just think just with all the adrenaline running and the way it was initially thrown, we were under the presumption we were safe. So kind of my bad on my part. Anyways, if you guys did like it, please like and subscribe to the video, or subscribe to the channel, not the video. But stay tuned for some future ones though.